Make a great choice today with the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power driver's seat, heated seats, navigation system, backup camera, air conditioning, driver airbag, driver side remote mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.